Hey everyone, very quick update on the ram gas cap loose fault code. Check this out. Follow me! The code is gone! So what did I do? Well, the truth, nothing. So it turns out that, do you remember the plug that wasn't plugged in? Okay, that connects to the emissions detection pump. Okay, so I looked up emissions detection pumps to find out what they were all about, and they're relatively straightforward to replace. But it would follow that if mine wasn't plugged in, then that's why it was detecting a fault, because the emissions detection pump was doing nothing. Now, it didn't instantly switch off that code, but I had a wee dig about, and apparently all you have to do is start your vehicle, drive it, switch it off, start it, drive it a few times, and the code magically disappears. This is what I found out when I jumped in the truck this morning, went for a wee drive. The light didn't come on. Very, very confused, but apparently that's what it is. So before you go too mad constantly changing stuff like I did, obviously check everything first, make sure it's all plugged in, and give it a few cycles before you move on to the next thing. Patience, I guess. So we are good, except I do have a new code now. Unrelated, it's detecting low oil pressure, but the truck is due an oil change, so I'll get on top of that. Anyway, I thought you would give you that little update. Thank you for all your help and advice on what I could have done if that wasn't the problem. But isn't that crazy? All you have to do is, like Microsoft, switch it off and switch it back on again. Problem solved. Right, back to working Bugsy tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's very warm and sunny here, so I'm doing the proper thing and going inside to escape the heat. Take care. Bye bye.